Xumo is a free streaming service that allows fast forwarding, but how you do it depends on the type of content and your device. For live TV, you can typically skip ahead in 10 to 30-second increments using the directional pad and fast forward button on your remote. On demand content usually allows variable speeds from 1.5x to 4x and scrubbing via a progress bar. Access the on screen controls by pressing the play pause button, then use the fast forward icons or drag the scrubber. Keep in mind that fast forwarding may be limited or unavailable during ad supported segments to comply with regulations. To improve your fast forwarding experience on Xumo, enable picture in picture mode to multitask while skipping through content. Some smart TVs support voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, allowing you to say things like fast forward 30 seconds on Xumo. If you experience buffering, clear the app's cache or restart your TV. Also, consider that a Xumo Play subscription, $4.99 a month, provides ad-free viewing and unlimited scrubbing. Remember, controls vary by device, so consult your TV's manual or Xumo's support page for specific instructions. Finally, be aware that AI-driven features are emerging that suggest optimal skip points based on your viewing habits.